Ngā te marae in front, ara Maria maira. Ka e ngā mate o te motu e. I timata e nei mahi mai te mātakitaki tōku pāpā e mahi te kapa haka. Ara māku e whai atu I ona tapu ai ki te mahi o ki te perform pera ki tōku pāpā nā te mea I hua kina ia I aku whatu. Kua mai o ku māma he mahi toi I akongia ia mai tōna whaia. Ara kei te akongia ia I ona pukinga ki a mātou o nā tamariki. A he me o ku tuakana me teina.
They're very aware of time management and the value of money, so they work hard for their money and they know that value of money, especially Erita. Sometimes she makes kaku and she raffles it off online. So proud of her when she gets on stage and if she's, the leader of a kapa haka team or she's out there singing solos.
Kura nei tōku ingoa, Kiwi Accounting konei. Inga wā mua I haere au ki Dubai, ki te kanikani. I was firstly there as a performer, doing kapa haka and Cook Highland dancing. I was exposed to te ao business. My end goal is to become a chartered accountant. That's the highest level of your accountancy that you can reach.
Kia ora ko Kelly tōku ingoa, e uri no tūwhare toa, tōngorero te maunga, te hauhau te tangata kei Spark o Kora, tātou I tēnei rā, ko tēnei tōku mahi. From I first started at Spark, this space has changed so much. Some of the diversity and inclusion initiatives that have come along, that's really helped mould it. There's sort of pillars that we look at in my role as an agile coach. That's growth as an individual. Then there's also giving back to the business and then giving back to our group of coaches. Having this role means that I can allocate a part of who I am as a person and bring my whole self to work.
Tēnā koe, Kelly.
Kia ora.
Ke te pēhea koe?
Pai ana, me koe?
Oh, mea hoki pai.
Hau hoi ngengi.
Ai, I tērā wiki, I haere au ki Manurewa High School, ki te tūtaki Erita. She's pretty hearty. She loves te ao Māori, she loves kapa haka. So I spoke to her about those passions and how those passions can actually be implemented into a workspace. And you can still go into your workspace and still be Māori. Titiro mai. Kōrero mai kia hau I pā ana ki tō whiako ki Portland.
I te whiwari toki ngā kau ki te hariki Amerika me tōku māma. Ko te tikanga mō mātou ki te hariki reira ki te ako I te ahurei o te Native Americans. I tua I reira hau I ako hau I ngā mahi rongoa, te connect with te whenua.
Kōrero mai kia hau pana ki tō mahi ki te taha o tō māma.
Kua kumahi ki te awhi ana hau I tōku māma ki te hanga kākuhu kapa haka.
Kei mō tō pukinga, tō rangatiratanga, me o kotahitanga I roto I ngā rōpū kura, me ngā rōpū hakinakina. Tērā, kōrero mai I pāna tērā.
Nō reira, ko tōku hakinakina rongonui ki ahau, ko te ripi haki, so that's tag 20. Te teirōpū ki roto I tōku kura, ko te kapa haka. Awhina mai o kuhua mai kapa haka. I just be the leader that I can. I'm just into kapa haka, so anything that's around kapa haka, performing wise and that, I'll give that a go. Because I reckon kapa haka is like a passport,
Yep.
So I can take kapa haka around the world and then as soon as I get back, someone's like, oh yeah, I want this girl to come over to America and perform their culture. I'm part of this youth leadership and it's called Te Kao Te Rangatahi. It's based for youth rangatahi, but also looking for Māori rangatahi to help the community in that. So we got this concert that will help with suicide prevention and it's called #TalkToMe. Also Pink Shirt Day, fundraising, helping the homeless.
Charitable. And that whole manaakitanga and wanting to serve your people.
That's kind of what we're striving for. So she speaks about having a tutu, about making kākohu, going in there and always giving it a try and continuously trying to just better herself and, listen to all the different things that she's a part of. I see that she's got a real drive within inside her And it's a fire. She knows what she wants. She knows how to articulate it, both in Māori and Pākehā. So some real skill there. And one of her passions is kapa haka. So we've got a corporate kapa haka ropu in Spark. And I help compose a little section of the haka, but we don't have anyone of that, I guess, level.
Will there be like a position for her within the whānau of Spark? And if so, whereabouts would she sit within the Spark whānau?
My initial thoughts are it would be naive to think that she wouldn't be a good fit anywhere. She could go anywhere with those skills that she currently has.
Nice.
That doesn't exclude Spark. In fact, it heavily includes Spark, and it speaks to a lot of our values.